Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change audio balance for your headphones JLAB GOWORK. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on Android. Then I will move to the iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS. So maybe you need to check also that part to find a similar path to these settings. Okay, on your Android, open settings. Then we should go to accessibility. I have stock Android, and on stock Android, accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. So we need to scroll down, enter into accessibility, then scroll down again. And at the bottom you will find audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left ear cup, you just move this dot to the left, but you need to move this dot and test it, what will be the best one for you. We just increase the volume for the left ear cup, but lower it for the right ear cup. If you use 100% on your left ear cup, you will totally mute sound for your right ear cup. If you have the problem with the right ear cup, the same process, you just move this dot to the right. Again, you need to find a good balance. And again, we increase the volume for the right ear cup, but lower it for the left. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings. Then we should go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down. In the hearing, you will find audio and visual line. Tap at this line. After that, scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you had the problem with the right ear cup, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to move this dot and find a good balance for yourself. We just increase the volume for the right ear cup, but lower it for the left. If you use 100% on your right ear cup, you will totally mute sound for your left ear cup. If you have the problem with the left side, you just move this dot to the left. Again, you need to find a good balance, so you need to move it and test it, and we increase the volume for the left, but lower it for the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!